Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Holy Stone HS110D. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started.
You can record memorable moments distortion-free, and you can view images on the phone from the wide-angle lens. The app lets you expand your creativity and then share it with ease on social media. You may focus on taking photos and forget about the joystick. The drone will suspend in midair with locked altitude. The drone is perfect for beginners, children, starters, or anyone who wants to enjoy an easy, stable flying experience. Headless mode. Pilots will find it easier to control the drone, especially when it is not in sight. The drone can be operated under headless mode, while the pilot is orienting the drone to him. To make your day more enjoyable, the drones are equipped with 3D flips, voice control, gestures control, trajectory flight, gravity sensor control. You can instruct the camera to take photos with gestures of scissor and videos using paper. 2 batteries can hold a flight time of 20 minutes. It is easy to replace the battery and to safely charge it. Specification: the quadcopter weighs in at 145 grams. Dimensions: 12.6 inch by 11.2 inch by 4.70 inch. Recording modes: 120-degree field of view, 1080 pixel. Playing time: 10 minutes per battery, 2 batteries. Charging time: 120 minutes. Video transmission range: about 60 meters or 196 feet. Transmitter operating range: about 100 meters or 328 feet. App required operating systems: iOS 7.0 or later, Android 4.4 or later. Gravity sensor mode allows you to control the drone using your smartphone by holding it and moving it accordingly. The drone will follow the route you have drawn on your app. Your flight will be much more fun. Real-time transmission with first-person view allows you to view the wonderful and beautiful world in a unique way. The guards can protect both the drone and the people who are near it if it strikes a wall. What you get: HS110D drone. Transmitter, telephone holder or batteries not included. 2x3.7 volt 1000 mAh lithium polymer batteries with USB charging cable. 2 propeller guards, 4 extra propeller blades, 2 extra landing feed, 4 extra motor gears / 2 extra light covers / 18 screws / 1 screwdriver. 1 handbook. This is a great entry-level camera drone at $65 with a $10 coupon. I plan to upgrade to a more expensive model that has a longer flight time, GPS, and a 4K camera. However, this will be after I have become extremely confident in my flying skills. It isn't sturdy enough to be rated 5 stars. It's a great deal for the price. However, it is a pain to have to purchase a new one so quickly. If you are still unsure, I recommend that you get one and fly. It will be a joy. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.